Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another interesting data analytics problem which had been asked in Meta. So make sure you watch the video till end to learn the important concept which had been used in this particular problem. And please subscribe to my channel if not already done yet, as I will be coming up with a lot more useful content. And guys, this particular video, I will be solving the problem statement using SQL. I have solved the same problem using Python as well. Link of that particular solution had been attached to the description of this. And I would recommend you guys can have a take a look at that as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as we can see, like we are having three tables as part of this particular problem. The very first table is like Facebook sales. Second is like basically Facebook sales promotions, in which let's say if we made a sales using any of the promotion, so that particular data is getting captured in the second table. And in third table, basically we are having products which are there on Facebook, right? So let me just quickly run all of these tables to show you what all data points are there as part of these. So as we can see in first table, we are having like a sales which we had made on like all of these products along with promotion ID. Let's say if the product was in promotion, so we are having promotion ID as well. Apart from that, like we are having the second table, as I've mentioned, like that is the promotions table, in which like we are having promotion start date, end date, and the cost we incurred for that particular promotion, right? And in the third table, we are having the list of the products which are there on Facebook, right? Now, let me just quickly explain you what we have to do as part of the problem, right? So in this particular problem, what we have to do, basically the CMO of the like Facebook is interested to know the sales of different products, different product families, which are affected by promotional campaigns, right? So basically we have to see with respect to the promotional campaigns, what all product sales got affected, right? So for that, what we have to do, basically we have to show the total number of units we have sold, and with respect to the promotional campaigns, like what was the decline or like what was the incline in terms of sales we have made, right? So with respect to that, we have to basically figure out like total number of units we have sold. And apart from that, like we have to basically figure out the percentage of units that had been sold using the promotional campaigns, right? So with respect to that, as we can see now, most of the time, like let's say if we are getting these kind of problem statements, right? So we get stuck after reading the problem, right? So what we have to do next, right? So the very first step, which we have to basically decide to solve the particular problem, is to basically have a deep look at the problem statement which we had given, right? So over here, as we can see, basically we are having three tables, right? One table contains sales level data, second table contain like promotion level data, and third table contain the product level data, right? So over here, what we have to do basically, we have to calculate total sales, right? So for that, first of all, like for sure, we have to use the sales table, right? Total sales of what? Total sales of the products which are listed on Facebook, right? So for that, we have to use the third table, right? And basically the output which we have to provide, that output we have to basically provide at a product family level. Over here, as you can see, basically for each product family we have to show total number of units sold, right? So for each product family we have to basically calculate total number of sales, right? And post that, we have to basically like figure out what was the impact in terms of sales with respect to the promotion, right? So for that, can I say this thing? First of all, like sales level data set is available in the first table. Product level information is available in the third table. So we have to basically join these two tables together, right? So for that, what we have to do for time being, let me just put the promotions table aside. So for this, what we have to do basically, we have to merge sales table and product table, right? So I'm using select star from sales, right? And I will basically do join, right? Join Facebook products, right? I will give alias as P on, let's say this we can call as S, right? So on S dot, now which is common key in both of these. So over here, I can see product ID, and in this table as well, we can see product ID, right? So on s dot product ID is equal to p dot again product ID, right? Now let me just run this and we'll show you what will be our output over here. So as we can see, along with the product ID, we got like along with the sales data, we got like product classification attached to that particular table, right? Now, what we have to do basically, with respect to this particular table, we have to like figure out which products were under promotion, right? So can I say this thing? This will be my like base table or like base data set, right? Now I have to basically attach promotions with respect to this data set, right? So for that, what I will do, I will do left join, right? Why I am doing left join over here? Because this will be my base data set for sales, right? So like, and with this particular data set, I have to attach promotions data, right? So this will act my left table, right? And hence like I am doing left join over here. So left join on what? Left join on promotions table, right? And this I will, I can say as like sales promotion as like SP, right? On uh, S like S dot promotion ID, because we have promotion ID over here in sales data set. And in SP table or like sales promotion table, we are again having a promotion ID column, right? So now let me just run this and we'll show you what will be our output. So yeah, as you can see, basically we got product ID. So this is like sales data set. Along with that, like we got product level data set, and now we got like promotion level data set as well, right? Now what we have to do basically, like with respect to this, we have to find or like we have to calculate total number of units sold, right? So and that too at a product family level, right? So product family column is available in products table, right? And products table we are having over here. So for that, what I will do, I will basically take p dot product family, right? And what I will do over here, like I will basically do the summation of units sold, right? So I will take this unit sold from sales table, which is s dot units sold, right? And we have to basically sum it up. So we have to sum this up, right? Now let me just run this once, but since we are basically doing aggregation over here, so we have to basically do group by. So I'm doing group by of what? Group by of product family column, right? Now let's run this and we'll show you what will be our output. Yeah, so as you can see, we got like at a product family level, we got like total number of units we have sold, right? Let me just like give this as alias as total units sold, right? Now what we have to do basically, like for time being, let me just remove this and let me just show you the entire like table once again, right? So over here, yeah. So over here, basically, like we got this entire master data set, right? Now, in order to basically have a look at like which product got promoted or not, we are having this promotion ID available over here, right? So let's see like basically what is there as part of the promotion ID, right? So over here, like this promotion ID is available for all the sales data set, right? So this promotion ID is available basically for all the sales data set, but I can see some null values as well over here. So for this particular record, we can say like promotion ID is not available, right? Which means like this particular product did not got promoted, right? So for that, can I say this thing like basically wherever we are getting null, right? Or wherever basically we are getting null, that particular like product did not got promoted, right? So can I basically create a flag over here, which will basically tell me like which product got promoted and which product did not got promoted, right? And then let's say if I will basically add the sales for that particular column, I will be able to know like sales for my promotion, right? So let me just like show you like what I mean to say and like how we will be able to achieve that, right? So in order to create that flag, what I'm doing over here is I'm using case when, right? Case when sp dot promotion ID, right? So basically, what we are saying is, uh, if sp dot promotion ID is not null, right? Wherever we are getting not null values, or wherever we are getting a promotion ID, for those records, what I'm saying is, give me unit sold values, right? So for that, what I'm saying is, then then let me just put a comma over here because I'm not getting auto recommendations. Yeah. So basically, then s dot unit sold, right? Else what we have to do? Else 0, right? So now let me just run this and we'll show you what will be our output. So let's run this. Uh, where the issue is, oh my bad, it should be and over here, right? So and we can give this as flag. For time being, we can give this as name as flag. Okay, so now let me just show you what we are having in flag. So basically, what we said over here is, wherever the promotion ID is not null, give me unit sold value, and wherever it's null, give me 0, right? So let me just show you, for this particular record we are having null promotion ID, and we can see like we got flag over here, right? Now like this particular column will act as my sales which I got from promotion IDs, or like using promotion, right? And this particular column will act as my total sales, right? Now can I say this thing, if I will do a division of this and this, I will basically get the sales which I got using promotion, right? So for that, what I'm going to do over here is, now I will basically use that product family. So on p dot product family, uh, product family, right? What we have to do, we have to do sum of what? Sum of units sold, right? So it will be s dot units sold, right? And what we have to do, basically we have to do sum of this as well, right? So basically, if like this will act as my total units we have sold, right? And this will act as my like total units we have sold using promotion, right? So let me just give this as alias as total sales, right? And this will, so basically what I will do, I will do sum of this as well. Let's put it in single line itself. Okay, some of this as well, and this will basically act as my like promotion flag, right? Now let's run this and we'll show you what will be our output. Let me just put comma over here, and let's give this as total sales, and over here we can say like promotional sales. Okay, now let's run this and we'll show you what will be our output. There, oh my bad, over here it should not be, and as okay. Now let's run this and we'll show you what will be our output. There is some issue. Oh my bad, I think like I have to close the bracket over here. Okay, now let's run this. Yeah, so as we can see, basically total sales we got this, right? Promotional sales we got this, right? Now can I say this thing, if I will do a division of both of these, I will get basically percentage units which got sold using promotion, right? So for that, what I will basically do, I will take this as is, right? And I will do division with this, right? Now let's run this and let me just show you like what will be the output. And for this, I will give as percentage promotional sales, right? Now let's run this once again. Yeah, so over here, as we can see, like we got some numbers over here, right? In order to basically convert this into percentage, what we have to do, we have to multiply this with 100, right? So multiply it with 100.0, right? Now let's run this. Okay, so as you can see over here, we got like for this particular record for consumable product family, we got 100% sales, which came from production like promotional sales, right? And for gadget, we got like 76% of sales, which came from promotional sales, right? So yeah, and that's what like we have to basically figure out as that as part of this particular problem, right? So yeah, that's all from my side, guys. Let me know in the comment section, like if you can able to solve this particular problem using any other method, right? Thank you and all. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.